Well, howdy, folks. The name's Powder Cake Peg, and we're moving on into tunnel number 1 of the Calico Mine.
Low hanging out, dropping some sagging timbers. I hope you brought your own pick and shovel. You want to stake a claim here, you gotta earn it old fashioned.
Just up ahead is the pride of the Calico Mine, the famous glory hole. Woo! And he ain't putting gold in these here pockets. They tell me you can catch a lot of fish in these here underground lagoons by using your pan, but I don't think any of these fellers ever caught a one. I wonder why.
All get lost into Kingdom Come.
We're down at 3,000 foot left now, and that's mighty big. Where's the dim up here. Hey, driver, how about shedding a little light on the subject? Wow, what a sight. Just look at all them formations. Stalactites and stalagmites. Them big ones must be 1,000,000 years old. $80 million worth of glorious gold. Look at that little fella laying fetch with a keg of dynamite. You know, all that dynamite makes me a tad nervous. I've to be out here on this rickety old vessel. And by much, I mean not much at all. So keep your hands on 10-5 and don't make any sudden movements. Now we're going into one of the newest parts of the mine. Not much to see, just some blasting away at the rock overpass. Holy mackerel, they're blasting! Open that throttle, driver, let's stay loose!
Hey, slow that train down. There's blasting ahead. Slow down there.
Looks like we made it out just in time, folks. That was too close for comfort. Speaking of comfort, I'm gonna head on over to the Calico Saloon for an ice cold sarsaparilla. So come on down and tell them how Cake sent you. So long, folks.
Alright, folks, please remain tuned to check out the photo be stop. Water's gonna lift up on our whiskey by door, and I'll be right there, let you out. Please don't step over. Thank you very much, come on, please.